Ready to dive into the world of crypto trading? Let's unlock your gateway to digital assets by setting up your Kraken account in just a few minutes. First, navigate to Kraken.com. You'll see a prominent Get Started or Sign Up button. Click on that to begin. This is where your crypto journey officially kicks off. On the sign up form, you'll need to enter your email address, choose a secure username, and create a strong password. Remember, a strong password is your first line of defense, so make it unique and memorable. After submitting your initial details, Kraken will send a verification email. Open your inbox, find that email, and click the verification link inside. This confirms you own the email address you provided. Now comes verification, which is crucial for security and access to full features. Kraken offers different verification levels for basic trading. Intermediate is usually sufficient, requiring your full name, date of birth, and address. Depending on your chosen verification level, you might need to upload a photo of a government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport, and potentially take a selfie. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully for clear, legible uploads. Security is paramount. Once verified, head to your account's security settings and enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This adds an extra layer of protection, typically using an authenticator app, making it much harder for unauthorized access. You're almost there. With your account verified and secured, you can now navigate to the deposit page and fund your account using bank transfers or other accepted methods. Once funds arrive, you're ready to explore the markets and make your first trade.